Heat exchanger cleaning is tough work, even for experienced crews. Challenging conditions, heavy fouling, and tight schedules make reliable equipment a non-negotiable. That's where the AutoBox 3L dual belt tractor comes in. The AutoBox 3L dual belt tractor is built to take everything you like about the AutoBox 1L and scale it up for serious triple lance productivity. The new dual drive belt design increases traction on the lances and delivers more force for difficult applications like large diameter tubes, extra long runs, or vertical exchangers. You get hands-free control at the bundle, consistent cleaning passes, and a clear path to Sentinel automation when you're ready to take the next step. Its dual belt drive and high torque air motors deliver up to 426 pounds or 193 kilograms of pushing and pulling force, so you can keep lances advancing through tight deposits and long tube runs. Feed rates up to 2.9 feet or 88 centimeters per second let you customize the lance speed to the job. Fast when the tubes are open and slower when you need extra dwell time. The tractor is designed to handle flex lances from 3.2 up to 8.4, so you can cover a wide range of tube diameters with one system. At roughly 39 pounds or 17.7 kilograms for the standard tractor, the AutoBox 3L stays compact and manageable on the job site, easy to position and mount in a variety of configurations. The AutoBox 3L is engineered to be easily disassembled for cleaning and features quick-release hardware that makes belt changes straightforward, keeping maintenance time low and uptime high. Intuitive pneumatic speed controls provide forward feed, reverse feed, and clamp functions right at your fingertips, giving operators smooth, repeatable lance motion for consistent results. If your operation demands advanced automation and job reporting, you can add Sentinel technology with the AutoBox 3LS. When connected to the Sentinel controller and power hub, the 3LS becomes part of a full Sentinel system that can track position, automate lance feed, and record job data in real time, all while the tractor does the heavy lifting. So whether you choose the AutoBox 3L or the Sentinel-enabled 3LS, you're working with the same industry-leading tractor hardware. The Sentinel technology simply adds more control and insight when you need it. The AutoBox 3L and 3LS are designed to work seamlessly with StoneAge lightweight indexing positioners and hose management systems, giving you a complete, safe setup for tube exchanger cleaning. The hose-feeding tractors and all accessories are modular and compatible, so you can scale them into any configuration as you grow and your needs change. Whether you're stepping up to multi-lance cleaning or scaling an existing automated program, the AutoBox 3L dual belt tractor gives you the power, control, and reliability to complete your jobs safely and efficiently. Start smart with the AutoBox 3L dual belt tractor. Scale smarter with the Sentinel-enabled AutoBox 3LS.